Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Adventures with the Effingtons. Today we are actually going to go check out Juno Beach. It looks beautiful. It's about 3.5 hours south of us. So we're excited and we'll see you guys there. So we just got here. Let me tell you, I got a small peek through the brush. That's one thing I don't honestly understand about Florida beaches. I wish that they would take down all of the brush that's along the side and the bushes so you could actually see the water from the road, but I don't know, maybe they want to have that wow factor, because when it peeks through, this place looks amazing. So let's go ahead and take a look. Yep. Oh, that water feels good. This is paradise. Oh my gosh. I can't put it into words. It's incredible. And look at the water, the color. Oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. All right, let's go take another look. There's some super nice people right there. He is a very kind gentleman. Was talking about how we grew up in San Diego, and he's like, oh, it's one of his favorite cities. He traveled all over for business, so. right here. Can't touch. I can't get over the clarity of this water. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. The colors are just unbelievable. And the sand is so soft in the water. And the amount of fish. Holy cow, I thought Silver Glen was cool. Obviously the fish at Silver Glen way bigger. But the amount of fish in this ocean is insane. I'm gonna have to look them up though and see what kind. Oh my god. I really, there's just no words. All I was doing was going underwater and poor Gary thought something was attacking him. Alright, I'm gonna go check it out. I saw a ginormous fish! If what? Yeah, it's clear. Fish. It was big, but I don't know what kind it was. It was silver. Huh?
That's right. That's what I told her. It's either a predator chasing something or something bigger than that fish is chasing it.
He keeps grabbing my leg, pulling me back.
There's always something.
Yeah, that's right.
They were just telling me that there's this guy, he's a professional photographer. He was out here with his GoPro on his
Board?
board.
Uh-huh.
And there was, well, I was just telling him about the guy with the board. Yeah.
Jack Bates.
Jack Bates.
Is he?
Professional photographer.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, so he was going, didn't realize he was filming a bull shark. It was a tiger shark eating a ham.
Oh my
wow.
gosh.
Right here at the inlet, by the Jupiter Inlet.
Okay.
And they had it on the news and stuff.
Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
I did not know that sharks ate other sharks.
Oh
all the
yeah.
time.
Yeah, I did. I mean,
Shark
great
Week
whites
talked about
I
that
know,
all the
but
time.
I didn't know that the smaller
Yeah,
ones.
most people don't realize that.
Yeah.
Shark Week.
Well, we used to watch Shark Week when it was good. Now it's like all the stupid fake stuff now. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I mean it's still good.
That used to be like, man, Shark Week was the week back in the day. Now they have like all the goofy spoof movies and like they have like the made up mermaid and
Twice a year.
yeah.
And during that time, we kind of sit on the shoreline.
Oh, and watch. That's
There's no
cool.
reason to be in the water.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All these big sharks eating little sharks as they're going by here.
That is so cool.
Yeah.
Oh my God, I can't get over how beautiful this beach is.
It is.
It feels like we're in another country.
I remind myself every day, this is the reason why I moved here.
Yes. Yes. It's beautiful. Well, thank you for the story. just that other people post, like that's what it felt like. It was, the clarity was incredible. The water temperature was not too hot, maybe 80, 82, which is, I mean, it felt good compared to especially outside pushing 100.
In a quarter mile, at the traffic circle, take the second exit onto Northeast Jensen Beach Boulevard.
So anyway, guys, yeah, definitely check out Juno Beach if you're ever in Florida. That is a must stop. I don't know what Florida's going to bring, if we're going to find any place more beautiful than that. It seems like every time we go to a new spot, we're just blown away. But for right now, yeah, further south. So, and the Keys are on our list for next year. But there's mixed reviews of the Keys, honestly. Like, some of the video and pictures look really nasty. Some people say it's not worth it. Other people say it's incredible. So
Exit the traffic circle onto Northeast Jensen Beach Boulevard.
we'll see next year if the Keys are worth it, or if
Continue on Northeast Jensen Beach Boulevard for 3 miles.
if they're going to be one of those ones. I'm just going to talk over Google Maps. But if they're going to be one of those ones where it's a little disappointing, I don't know. We'll see next year. Definitely want to check out Dry Tortugas too. I know that for sure will not be a disappointment because I have seen nothing bad about that. And everybody that we've got, you know, some subscribers that have been there and say it's just amazing, and we definitely need to hit that place up. So thanks for coming along with us. We will see you on the next adventure, and until then, get out there and explore, guys. All right, bye. Hey guys, welcome back to another adventure with Hey everybody, welcome back to another adventure with the Effington episodes. Everybody, welcome back to another episode of Adventure. Oh my God.